Okay, here we are. Now you're going to do an electronic schematic, and you're going to make it 3 times larger. It has lettering on it. Yay! Do not make the lettering 3 times larger. Make the lettering 1/8 inch, which is what you see here. Okay? Because when you make this 3 times larger, it'll fill up this area pretty good. So do not make the lettering larger. It's always 1/8 of an inch. This one I'm going to do a separate video on, so stay tuned on this. I'll be posting that. It'll be available just a little bit later. Okay, so I want to go over this, how to get started on that one. Just doing an overview of all the sketch work. All right, on this one is your pictorial sketches that you do, and 2 times larger, and you start from this corner. Okay, so call that corner 0, and this is corner 0. And it's 2 times larger, so this is 2 grid, so you'll go up 4 grid, and then you go over 1, 2, 3, 4, so you go over 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so it goes all the way through the project. And when you get ready to do the ellipse, you're going to need to construct the center, which is made up of isometric lines. And then count the number of grid, okay, starting from the side. Count over, so it looks like 1, 2, so it'd be 4 grid over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for that center line. So lightly draw that. And then it's 1.5. Okay, 1.5 grid, so 3 grid over down here. 1, 2, 3. Then you measure the ellipse itself. So it's 1 grid this way and 1 this way. So it'd be 2, 1, 2 over, 1, 2. And yeah, you start seeing a lot of dots going every which way on here. It is a little optical illusions. So you have to be careful. Take your time. Be sure you're counting the proper dot or line. Okay. So it's a 2 by 2 ellipse. That gives you your small grid, small arc tangency point, and your large arc tangency points. Okay. So I just like to sketch it in. Sketch it in. And if you end up with something about like that, you're doing pretty good. Okay? Don't, on ellipses, you know, you have to just practice and try to make them as smooth as possible, but it's made up of 4 arcs, 2 small and 2 large.